Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we're going to see how to add an extension to our cell phone using the Wave app. First, let's create the extension in the PBX. Go to Extensions, click Add, enter an extension number, type the same number in the caller ID field, and the authentication field as well, and set a password here. Enter 1, click Save and apply changes to generate the extension, then wait a moment. Once it's created, we'll need to link the PBX to the cloud. Here's a link above. Once linked, go to Remote Connect, then My Plan, and you'll see an active plan. We'll need this domain because it's what we'll enter as the SIP server. Now let's proceed to register the phone. Open the app, tap Register, enter the domain, enter the extension number as the username, and enter the password Wave. Tap Register and wait for it to log in. It may take a few seconds. Once you're in, tap Cancel, and you'll have extension 1005. If I go back to the PBX under Trunk Extensions, you'll see that extension listed, along with the public IP address from which it's connecting. That's all for this video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.